Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed this problem that I had with my Redmagic Nova gaming tablet where I could not see the game space icon and basically couldn't launch into game space. Now, as you can see right now in this shortcut menu at the bottom, there's the game space icon, and then if I scroll down here from these shortcuts here, as we can see, there's the game space icon there as well. Now, I've already covered the problem that I had in the previous video, but just to recap, the game space icon was not anywhere where it should have been, and I couldn't find it anywhere on the system and couldn't get it to apply to any of these shortcut menus anywhere on the system. Now, you have to remember, I had already updated to the latest firmware and the latest software, so the Redmagic software and firmware were basically all up to date, and Android was totally up to date as far as this tablet was concerned. So there has been no difference between the setup of the tablet the way that it is now compared to when it wasn't working, other than a factory reset. So if I just come back here to the desktop, as we can see, there's the game space there. So if I tap on it, I get to go into game space there, as we can see. Now, let me just come back out of there, and if I scroll down from the top here and go to this shortcut menu again, I'll tap on game space, and there we go, we're into game space. The only thing is you're not seeing game space there the way that you might expect to see it on the tablet, and the reason why is because I've now got it going to a 16:9 output to an external monitor, which is something that I will show you how to do in another video. Anyways, there we have it then, my fix, which was basically just resetting the tablet.